and welcome back to another Ipsy Glam bag unboxing. This is for December of 2022, so we're gonna dive right in. The bags are so cute and so plush. I love how cozy they are. They've got like this kind of like not quite red, not quite coral on the one side. They've got like Barbie pink on the other, and like this kind of orangey, off-orange shade on the back. It's so cute and so soft. Just, love it. It's like velour. So anyway, we're gonna get our little card out. So for December 2022, oh what fun! Let the celebrations begin. We're throwing a month-long holiday party to bring you all the good cheer and glam beauty. So swipe on a bright lip, slip on your dancing shoes, and get ready to revel in the most wonderful time of year. It's cute and colorful. There's also that on the back. Love the aesthetic this month. So unfortunately for this bag, we do not have the product info. We have minimalist versus maximalist, New Year's Eve, makeup trends, your way. Honestly, I don't think any of these are even really worth noting. So, we're gonna just go right into the bag then and see what we've got. So, first off is a brush from, what brand is this? Oh, from Half Caked. I didn't even know Half Caked did brushes, to be honest. And this has like a really cute, like bubblegum pink barrel on it. Feels like wood. Has a cute pink metal barrel. Ooh, really soft bristles. And this is a 128 shader brush. Okay. Shader brushes are always good, so love that. So we will put that right here for now. Next up, ooh, from Bella Pierre Cosmetics, which I know I give them shit for how cheap the packaging tends to feel, but then the products themselves tend to be really good. This is their $19.99 4-color eyeshadow palette. $19.99. I was in 9th grade. Oh my god. Anyway. What is this on it? Well, it's gone now, but anyway, so that's what the front looks like. Oh, the color names! Pearl, Freesia, Purple Rain, and Eggplant. Oh my god, I love it. I love it already. Okay. Ooh, alright. Let me block the mirror so it doesn't blind you guys, but look at these. Those are gorgeous. Oh, I cannot wait to play with those. Holy crap. Those are some fun colors. I love that all of them are shimmers. Like, oh my goodness. Love that for me. Oh my god. Okay. So we have that. Next, we have, what is this? From Sophia and Mabel. Too Pretty highlighter and blush duo. Ooh. The highlighter is Champagne Toast, and then there's a bubbly blush. Okay. So let's see. Ooh. Ooh, I already love the aesthetic of the whole thing. This honestly feels more $19.99 to me than that does because of the clear colored see-through plastic, but like, honestly, that's so cute. So, let's see, without the tint of the plastic in the way. Ooh, okay. I'm here for those colors. Those are both going to look really cute, together or separate. Okay, so we got that. Next up, is this another brush? No, it's not another brush. Okay, I was like, wait. Oh, I've never heard of this brand before. It's called Luna Magic, which, love that. It's a lip liner in Besitos, which looks like it's going to be maybe brown? Let's see. Maybe it's kind of like a brick red, actually. That could be pretty on. Alright. And it's like very, very thin. So, honestly, I'm kind of shook. I don't think I've ever seen a lip liner in one of the retractable pencils that thin before, so I'm like, okay, that's new to me. That's pretty cool. And last one in this bag, then there's the other bag. Honestly, I am shook that this is in a regular Ipsy Glam bag and not in Glam Bag Plus. It's from Christoph Robin, and it's their Cleansing Purifying Scrub. Obviously, it's a deluxe sample size, but, like, guys, like, honestly, this is, like, a heavy-ass, like, glass bottle, too. Like, I'm shook. I guess they spoiled us for Christmas, but, oh my god, that's really good. And while this may not look like much, let us not forget for the, what was it, Nature Tokyo, I think it was, they also have a purifying scalp scrub, about the same size, and there's a surprising amount of uses in each one of those. Yeah, I have a few of the little thingies, but, like, I think I got about 10 uses out of the first one, so a little bit goes a long way, just saying. Just saying. So that was what was in the first bag. And then in the other bag, which obviously, same bag. Does this card have info? Nope, it does not, so pointless. Anyway, in no particular order then, we have, from First Aid Beauty, the Ultra Repair Firming Collagen Cream. Okay. Like, honestly, I don't know how much, collagenizing that's going to do in that size, but we'll give it a shot. From Clark's Botanicals, and that's a new brand to me, Ultra Rich Lip Balm. What flavor? It does not say. Is it unflavored or unscented? What is that? Oh, don't be coconut. Please don't be coconut. This is bizarre to say that I can't tell if that's supposed to be coconut or if it's supposed to be mint, but it also feels like there's so little in there that I don't want to swatch it on my hand to test this right this moment. I think maybe vanilla mint, actually. Yeah, I think it's vanilla mint. It's not coconut. Anyway, so there's that. Ooh, this is big. What's this? Again, I'm shook that this is in regular Glam Bag. This is from Fenty Skin, and it's the Total Cleanser. Remove It All Cleanser. That's a good size for a cleanser in one of these bags, honestly. Like, yeah, this isn't the full size, but, like, honestly, you guys know darn well, usually the cleansers in the regular Glam Bags are, like, usually, like, about the size of this guy. But, like, yeah, just saying, they spoiled us for Christmas. Thank you, Ipsy. And we also have from Yensa the Super Serum Silk Concealer with vitamin C and E, ferulic acid, and a bakuchiol. What color is it? Could be very, very delicate, because I don't think there's probably much in here, and I don't want to waste any. I just want to see what color it is. Oh, okay. So, like, just getting it to bubble up. It's nice and light, so that should be fine for me. So I was, like, expecting the worst, that it was going to be hella dark, like the tube itself. I was like, uh-oh. But, is there even a color listed here? I don't see one. Fair number 2. Okay, it's like the tiniest writing right at the bottom in that corner right there, that it actually shows the name, but okay, alright, at least it technically is in fact there, because at first I was like, so how do we know what kind to get if we liked it? Okay, and I guess the last thing in here is also from Sophia and Mabel. I like them. The Stack Eyeshadow Duo in Berry Spritz. Ooh, it sounds like it's gonna be pretty. Oh my gosh. So, I'm sure you guys who are members of other beauty boxes have seen, what was it? That, like, bento eyeshadow thing, but it had, like, the 3 in it? This reminds me of that. But it doesn't slide out to the side. It opens up ways, but... Ooh, okay, so the first color looks like this. I'm in love with that. That's really pretty. What's the other color? Can't get in there? Okay, that one's just kind of like a neutrally tan, but okay, I can see how those could play together, or you could do one for, the bottom one for daytime, top one for nighttime, however you want to go about it, but, oh, those are nice, actually. Wow. Ipsy did not disappoint this month, like, Sometimes they're kind of meh with their regular base Ipsy Glam bag, but no, this month they did really good. And I feel like usually for December they do a pretty good job, but I feel like they outdid themselves this year. Good on you, Ipsy. So anyway, that's what I got in my Ipsy Glam bags this month. So what did you guys get if you're members? Let me know down below. If you also did an unboxing video, let me know and I'll go check it out. And as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below, make sure you're following my social media accounts. I hiccup, sorry. My Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more, it's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.